Oh my goodness, this update is going to be very urgent and very short, my friend, because this time you can see in the crypto market very badly fell us down. But the Safemoon, one of the unique coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market, you can see here the starting moving upward and the change occurs in positive. You can see here, otherwise, all crypto currencies for previous days, my friend. You can see here, Safemoon is also fell us down from previous 7 days. But definitely, you can see here, my friend, in the last 1 hour, they take a very good jump. So it's mean, my brothers, so the brother is coming, and exactly, my friends, they are also guide all brothers. So therefore, I think the price is increased now hour by hour, minute by minute. Alright, if you check out, my friends, the latest update of Safemoon, or my friends, to which side they move out, can they fall, they move up in fails, or they move up and down. So absolutely, my friends, you understand to upcoming times which speed they move up or which speed, my friends, it's needed. So this time you can see, my friends, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and you can see here, this time the change occurs in positive plus 0.17%. I think, remember, my brother, this is short fails, but I hope, my friends, after this fails they also take a very good jump, and I hope they give you very good profit. So kindly holders, don't see this, my brother, because this chart is also, my friends, give us very good defense now. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, the price is going to be very good. So the good time is soon. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time.